The Chinese-built Ethiopia-Djibouti standard gauge railway has operated over 1,800 passenger trains with nearly 530,900 passengers during its 5.5 years of operation, according to the Ethiopian Minister of Transport and Logistics. The 752.7-kilometer railway, also known as the ابابا-Djibouti Railway, is a landmark railway line connecting Ethiopia and Djibouti and a flagship project under the framework of the Belt and Road Initiative.
This ابابا-Djibouti Railway is not only a transportation line, but also an economic corridor and a road to prosperity. It has opened up a railroad corridor to the sea for Ethiopia, effectively driven the development of industrialization and urbanization along the route.
The electrified railway has cut the transportation time for freight goods from more than 3 days to less than 20 hours and reduced the cost by at least 1/3, helping the landlocked country access maritime trade ports. It has helped Ethiopia, a landlocked country in the Horn of Africa, access international maritime trade through ports in neighboring countries.
This railway is a very critical infrastructure, as you know, and the realization about the importance is now growing by the day. The railway is improving in a number of ways. The community and the communities across the line and beyond as well. We are already witnessing the flourishing of towns and different urban dwelling centers wherever our stations are there. Like, for example, the level where we started. And this is creating new centers where thousands of people can get jobs and an industry can grow.
Almost ኢትዮጵያና ጅቡቲ ማለት ወንድማማች ነው። ወደዚህ ሲመጡ ባህላችን ኦልሞስት ድሬዳዋ ማህበረሰብ ጋር ያለው ተመሳሳይ ነው። ኦልሞስት ሃይማኖታቸው ቋንቋቸው ዘሴም ነው። ስለዚህ እነኚህ ህዝብ ከጅቡቲ ወደ ድሬዳዋ ወደ አዲስ አበባ ሲመጡ ከዛ ወደሱ ስለዚህ ካልቸርም ሼር እናደርጋለን።